So this is one of our beautiful, gorgeous, deep reddish maroon lehenga. It's in pure silk and we have gorgeous gotapati work with some pearl work, and then we've brought the whole embroidery up by doing the pleating at the bottom. So whether it is a day wedding in Anand Karaj or whether it is an evening wedding, this is like a perfect garment for the bride. And for the bride's sister and the rest of the family, the mother, I would suggest a pink or even a pink with the yellow dupatta for the bride's sister and the mother, because yellow again is a very auspicious color, and during the daytime especially when you take a yellow dupatta, it looks very nice. It brings out the color on your skin and it makes the whole occasion look really auspicious. So for the bride's sister, for the bride's mother, I would suggest to go with the pink with the yellow with little undertones of yellow, not the whole outfit, maybe a little yellow facing on the dupatta, little yellow facing on the lehenga or the kagra that you're wearing. So team it up with another color and then bring up the whole thing in daytime occasion. It would just lift up the whole occasion. Your photographs would look amazing. The other suggestion that I would have is, if you want to go in for a little modern look, pink is Punjabi's favorite color. All Punjabis love pink, any shade of pink, and they look gorgeous in it, especially with the fairer skin tones. So something in an ombre shade like that, instead of going in for just a block color, and with gorgeous embroidery, lot of stones, crystal work on it. It is traditional Zardozi embroidery picked with beautiful thread and knot work. So something like this, and then in this case the rest of the bride's family could go in for a darker tone. So the bride is wearing something which is on a lighter tone, which has a lot of work, which is extremely blingy, and the family would have a darker tone, and the work can be a little subtle. It could be more traditional, since this is a little more modern work, so that would be traditional work with darker colors. It would just pick up the whole outfit. The bride would just look like so glorious and nice, and at the same time the mothers, the aunts, the sisters, they would look beautiful in something which is more traditional work and the color is blocked. Yeah. And then for the reception, we have these gorgeous gowns. Now these gowns look so beautiful because what you could do with them is, you could also have a lovely draped dupatta with them, and the gowns are again traditional at the same time modern. They have sleeves. So almost Indian weddings, we have people coming from different sensibilities. So this way you do not hurt anybody's sensibilities. You could just have a lovely stole or a small dupatta, ruffled dupatta along with this, and you would look like gorgeous. You would be very comfortable, especially keeping in mind that Indian weddings in Punjab especially, we have a lot of weddings in the winter. So having sleeves on it really works for you. Another gown that I have is a kind of off shoulder. It's not really an off shoulder, it's like a really deep V-neck, and then it's got these small little sleeves. Again, the sleeves are there to keep the sensibility and make sure that you are not offending anybody. You have people coming from different backgrounds. You're going into a new family where you don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. So that's why we make sure that you have sleeves. Maybe they are just small sleeves or full sleeves. You can drape this with a stole or a velvet scarf. It would look like really beautiful. The work is amazing. This is all crystal which is imported. So we have precious, semi-precious stones which come from Thailand. We have crystal which comes from Swarovski, and then of course we have the gorgeous dabka work that we do in India. So all this comes together and it's a floral motif. The color is extremely different. It's a lovely lilac purple which is very much in. It's the color of the season, and it would just lift you up and make you look so gorgeous, dance the night away kind of a garment.
Thanks for watching.